Hey guys, day 2 tayo. Day 2. And we're about to go to Hoi An. From here, that's around 21 kilometers. Ang biyahe natin is 45 minutes. Welcome to Ghana! Taray, di ba?
Meron ka
Ballet!
Nakabook ako na ang maas, guys.
Motor natin, medyo woggy siya. Medyo delikado yung motor. Actually, medyo delikado yung motor natin kasi medyo luma na siya. Ito yung motor, medyo old school na siya. Actually, hindi ko na ito. Ay, Yamaha. There you go, Yamaha.
Pero mas kinakabahan ako dito kaysa sa paraglide. Oh my God, wait, saan ako kakapit? Oh my God. Rodel, oh my God. Follow me. What? No. Are you kidding me? Scam. I love you. No man. No man. Tama ba?
So, nandito kami guys sa reaching out ng Flordeliz. Actually, gilid lang siya ng coffee shop. So, we're heading dito sa reaching out coffee. Yung mga staff dito are all deaf. Kaya, ito yung napili namin na puntahan for today. So, ordering tayo guys ng coffee and tea here.
Popular tea place in the deaf and differently able
Person people. Okay, ayan. So, order tayo today na sa akin, iced coffee, good day coffee. And favorite naman is zesty tasty lime juice. So, yun ang order natin today. Also, so kung gusto mo mag-request ng something like whisper, talaga ba? Ice. May libre din silang iced coffee na yun. Ay, iced. Cold tea pala siya. Siyempre ang best dito guys. View! Diba? The busy street of Hoi An. So, drip coffee siya guys. Tapos, alisin mo to. Tapos, add mo na ng milk and iyan muna natin ng gatas and sugar. Amoy daw siya ng kape ko. Should we put everything? So this coffee is costing 62,500. Actually, 60,000. $1. Or in peso, that's around 120 pesos.
Is it worth it? And of course, we're paying for the
meet-up place for the Hoi An tour. Damsel. So, dito na kayo maglalabs. Sana meron doon. So, unfortunately, coffee shop. It's a coffee shop. So, wala silang tinapay or anything na clean. Kaya, we need to like move to another place. So, parang malayo. Banh Phuong. Nakama ko magkano? Hindi ko ano yung sigo. So we're back. So ito yung menu dito sa Hoa Champa Coffee. Puro drinks lang sila dito. Of course, yung famous na Vietnamese coffee nila. Pero meron din silang ice cream, chocolate, fresh juice, yogurt. So for today, we'll be doing mango juice. So ito na sila guys, yung mga kasama natin. Bye! Tayo lang talaga yung na-apply.
So everyone, let's go. If you want to have you or thinking, I will have you everywhere, every time if I can.
So bumili kami ng ticket ng Cultural Heritage or Asian Town Tour for 120 each isa.
Okay, welcome to the Hoi An, Hoi An city. I'm very grateful and very happy when you to see my city. Okay, everyone.
So this one is only
This one is. Okay, welcome to the JD Ceramics Museum. It's limit.
sana all may courtyard.
Every house in the Hoi An usually
So most of the house daw dito sa Hoi An merong courtyard
very strong one.
para sa
And
fresh air. Actually,
beside the people use the wooden floor.
sana may courtyard dito sa bahay. Tambay.
Some people
And it's a postcard, and postcard made from paper. You see, it's a very special paper. Never find it paper, kid color. We order from Japan.
So we're finally here at Untitled or Mot. What's the name of the shop? Mot Hoi An.
Okay, everyone, I need to know, including the tour, because the Hoi An now the weather is very hot, so my company free offer for you the herb drink. Herb drink. Take it, please.
So this is free or included in the tour. Mot. Medyo sikat to eh kasi laging maraming tao dito sa area na to. Tikman natin. Ang sarap. May cinnamon siya tapos citrus. Pero sabi ni Tintin, yung aming tour guide, hindi pa raw mainit to. I mean, meron pang mas mainit na weather sa dito.
Please, we're so sorry because this one right now is just a congestion because the government to restore and building it again.
So currently ginagawa yung Japanese ano yun? Yung Japanese bridge, kaya hindi kami nakapasok sa loob. Pero sabi nila next year daw open na raw yun. So babalik kayo next year, makita nyo na yun. Yung palang Japanese bridge, yun nasa 20,000. dome nila.
So when we put the water into the cup, similar 80, even moving.
Yeah.
Over 80 or up 100%,
Oh, interesting.
completely through the hole.
Oh.
Yeah. Never feeling up. And that's one same in the life. When we try to get a lot of things, maybe we will lose everything.
So guys, ito yung mga flooding dito kasi this is the lowland. So, yung pinaka-recent was November 2023. There. 2022 ng October. Then yung pinakamataas nila is 2009 ng September. Tapos, ito yung mga pictures nila ng flood dito. And sinabi ni ate kanina, yung kahoy sobrang tibay nito. Ang tawag daw sa kanila dito is iron rod. So, hindi raw siya inaanan. Tapos, ayun, nakita niyo pala kanina. So, pagkabaha, doon nila dinadaan. Mayroong pulley system. So, inaakit nila lahat ng mga damages. So, at Banh, Performing Arts Center nila. We're gonna watch.
Ladies and gentlemen, you have to enjoy the Vietnamese melody named
Nanalo siya! Yay! Natatapos namin siya guys. That was a really nice cultural performance here in Hoi An. Last destination and last sa ating itinerary. We're heading sa Coconut Boat. Mayroon daw car na susundo sa atin. Ayan, yan pala yung susundo sa atin. So, nandito na tayo sa may dulong park. Hindi ko alam kung anong lugar to eh. Pero medyo nasa dulong park siya ng Hoi An. And dito yung tawag nila basketball. So, meron ditong cooking cup. Dalawang tao raw per boat. Dalawang tao. Tapos itong trip na to will last for about 14 minutes. And then, pagbalik namin dito, meron na silang prepare na food for us. So that is actually included as well dun sa binook natin bayang. Tapos na kami dun sa exhibition ng mga coconut boat. Sobrang hilo. So you need to pay 200,000 per ride. So that's around 200 pesos. 200,000. 200 pesos. Per person? Per boat. Per ride. Per ride. Hindi ako nagbayad.
Wala. Ako nagbayad.
Ikaw lang yan. 200 lang ito na.
So kahit dalawa, kahit isa, 200.
Ito yung next stage. Concert. After nung mini concert, pinagsuot na kami ng vest. Feeling ko kasi yung area na pupuntahan natin medyo malalim na siya. Pwede rin naman pauwi na tayo. So, ready rin sila with the payong. So now, we are having dinner. Yeah, so nag-request kasi kami na no pork and chicken blood. Kaya kinausap kami ni Tintin about it. Na they're serving pork and shrimp. So, dito tayo. Okay, fresh coconut. Ang liit ng coconut nila guys. For reference. This is our dinner, di ba? Ang dami na niyan. Kasama ito sa package natin. Noodles with pork. We had the fried spring rolls. Fried spring. This is a pancake with salad. So parang ito, pancake, tapos lalagyan itong salad. Sasasol. We asked Tintin kung ano yung paano paggawa ng sauce. And the answer is
You have garlic, chili, sugar, and fish sauce. Mix them together. If you want it more sour, you add lime sauce. Lemon sauce, lemon juice.
kalamansi sa atin.
Yeah.
So sobrang dali guys, pero sobrang sarap niya when you partner it with spring rolls. So kung syempre wala naman tayong ganito, so lumpia na lang, lumpia sa bahay din, the sauce. So pabalik na tayo sa city proper. And ang tip sa amin, so if mag-shopping kayo, better na dito na kayo mabili kasi mas mura dito sa may area na to compared dun sa main city. Dito half the price daw. Yung doon, tourist price, kaya mas mahal. Pero, if you wanted to make it cheaper, dapat daw mag-haggle ka. So, dapat 50% ka. Shala! So, tayo. First, second, third, second. Thank you! Okay guys, so dito kami binaba. Medyo near sa city proper. And malapit lang din sa river. Pero hindi to yung pick-up area namin kanina. So we're just gonna walk around and masyal muna kami. Ay, sundan natin sila. Sige, masagasaan ka dyan. Pare madadapa. Diretso lang. Sundan nga natin eh. Kasi papunta yan ng river for sure. Lantern. So, meron ditong spot. Actually, dinaanan namin kanina. Maganda yung mga lanterns. So, this is actually near yung river and yung night market nila dito. So, pwede ka mag-rent ng mga bangka na may mga lanterns. And then, so, hindi na namin ni-aving kasi medyo over na kami sa bangka to. Ito, Spain. 25. 165. 165. Init guys. Pero bumili tayo ng tin para sa collection. It's 165,000, which is around 340.
Show it. Show your pic.
Hindi kasi natin nagawa ito.
Yeah.
Delicious strepsils. Yay! Finally! Stretches!
I'm stressing by
Kami guys dito. So, I got clothes for mom for the price of 100,000 dollars. 800 pesos. Guys, we're finally back home. Na itsura namin. So, nagmotor kami, biglang umulan along the way. Ayan, medyo basa kami. Pero natuyo na rin dahil mahangin. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoy our vlog for this time. Ang aming trip sa Hoi An. Hoi An. And we'll see you all again tomorrow. Bye! That was so fun! Okay guys!
Gamitin mo yan ha.
As a searching for tonight, you have the power to pick the best